This was probably supposed to come with the other Amazon orders. Let's open it up and see what we got here. Oh, a Shemagh. This is from Motto and Hash, and it's a patriotic U.S. take on the classic Shemagh. And if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, I guess there's motion at the front door. I'll do another video show you guys why I turned that on. If I'm pronouncing Shemagh wrong, you can feel free to correct me. But this one looks pretty cool. I was going to get just a regular one, and then this popped up in the feed. And here we go. A Shemagh is just a, you've probably seen them. They're those cloths. You can wear them as like a head wrap or a neck wrap, face wrap, keep dust out, that kind of stuff. And this one has a really cool stars and stripes design on it. So it's got hints of red there on the edge and then stars in the middle. It's not really like American flag, but it kind of, that's what it hints at. Oh, this was through both of those. See, it's OD green and
motion at your floodlight cam.
Motion at my front floodlight cam. So that's pretty cool. We'll take that out, try it out.
Hey, that thing is cute.
Use it as like ice wrap, or it's not cute.
It's cute.
It's tactical.
It's not tactical.
Yeah. So that's cool. I'll put a link in the description below, and you guys can let me know what you think.